like, share, and subscribe.
Get ready, wear comfortable cloth, use a yoga mat. Let's get started. Warm up exercise. Stay relaxed and warm up. First one, shoulder rolls. Stand feet shoulder width apart, arm relaxed by the side. Roll the shoulder backward 5 times and forward 5 times. Breathe normally through the nose. Next one, arm hugs. Stand feet shoulder width apart, arm relaxed by the side. Extend the arms and hold the upper body. Alternate right and left arm on the top. Next up, knee hold. Stand feet shoulder width apart, arm relaxed by the side. Lift the knee and hold with both the hands. Alternate between left and right knees. Exhale while pulling the knee into the body. Ensure the back is straight. Next up, torso rotation. Stand feet shoulder width apart, arm relaxed by the side. Swing the arms gently, rotating the torso. Breathe normally. Do not overstretch. Do it for 10 to 15 seconds. Let's start with main workout. Next up, jumping jacks. Stand on your toes. Do it for 25 to 30 seconds. For high intensity workout, do it for 60 seconds. Next up, wall sit. Ensure feet is firmly on the ground and knees are above the ankle. Hold this position for 10 to 15 seconds. Breathe normally. Next up, push-ups. Keep arms just wider than the shoulder. Keep body straight from head to heel. Lower your body till the arm reaches 90 degree. Exhale as you push up.
to 10 to 15 reps.
Next up, abdominal crunch. Focus on raising the upper body. Do not hold the head by your hand. Exhale while you lift the upper body. Squats. Stand feet shoulder width apart. Ensure knees are behind the toes while you squat. Use the arms to counterbalance. Let's see in the side pose. Let's move to cool down.
Next up, basic stretch. Stand feet shoulder width apart, arm relaxed, stretch the arms.
Reach above. Interlock the fingers with palm facing outside. Stretch above your head. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. You should feel the stretch under your armpits. Reach front. Interlock your fingers with palms facing inside. Reach front. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Reach behind. Interlock your fingers with palm facing inside. Reach behind. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. That's all for the day. See you tomorrow.
Like, share, and subscribe.